Hello. Today we're gonna talk about operational database. Definition of operational database, function, the importance, pros and cons, and lastly application of operational database or example. So, let's go.
Definition of operational database. An operational database, or also known as OLTP, online transaction processing, is a database management system where data is stored and processed in real time. Function of operational databases. Indexing and cataloging. The main function of a database system is indexing, which refers to efficiently store data that can be retrieved when requested with ease. It is divided into primary, secondary and clustered indexes. Cataloging refers to assigning key attributes to a file and can be then used to recall effectively, like a book or a journal. Query processing. Operational database systems get the analytical ability due to its superior query processing system. It refers to the entire process from translating a query put forward to the database system by users into simple low-level instruction to its optimization and analyzing and evaluating the query. After the process, the system will extract relevant data from the database and present it to the user. This process happens in a fraction of a second. Replication.
Making a copy of file or data as a whole at multiple locations so as to ease the retrieval and storage process. This is important in distributed systems where the same data, when stored at multiple locations, can be accessed more easily and with added consistency.
File storage and structure. File storage is another important function of the operational DBMS, where since its use cases are complex, so does the system of storing the files. The system needs to be robust enough to sort and store files at relevant locations. The file organization system can organize files in heap, sequential, hash, clustered file organization system. Transaction support. A transaction system can be considered the logical unit of the operational database system. For it working consistently in a steady state, in a concurrent state, and having recovery services is of paramount importance. Importance of operational database. Scalability. Modern operational database systems are ready to scale on request and with the added advantage of high concurrency and low latency. Big data. Can harness the true potential with big data using technologies like Hadoop along with operational DBMS. Analytical analysis. Provide real-time analytical ability to help any decision-making process. Internet of Things. Helps in harnessing the true potential of IoT through real-time monitoring, reviewing and providing solutions by itself. Fault-tolerant. Create a fault-resistant system where if one of the components goes offline or is malfunctioning, It won't affect the entire system.
Pros and cons of operational database. Advantages. System that are highly available, fault-tolerant and highly scalable as discussed. Very secured because it offers integrated support for encryption, audit, and cyber protection. People in different location and department do not have to worry because this operational database are very flexible and can work with variety application without losing any of database requirement. Disadvantages. Increases the overheads expenses because it requires to give relevant training to manage the database. Requires time and effort to set up even for the installation process. There are examples of customer data have been hacked. This shown that the security also might be an issue.
Application of operational database. Sensors. A city continuously collects sensor data from a network of air quality stations distributed throughout the city. The operational database creates the data. Machine data. An energy company continuously records data from solar panel systems distributed throughout its grid. Science. A national weather service continuously collects data from automated weather stations that is used to generate timely weather forecasts and as a historical record for researchers. Internet of Things. A medical device manufacturer provides a service to remotely monitor medical devices in the field and send alerts when a device isn't performing specification. Communications. A message app receives and delivers millions of messages per hour. Media. A blogging service writes millions of blog posts and comments to its database each day. Applications. A sales platform allows salespeople in the field to update sales data such as contacts, leads, opportunities and quotes using mobile app. User interfaces. An e-commerce company records user clicks on their website. This information is then used to generate product recommendations and marketing offers by the operational database in real time. Transactions. A bank records transactions such as transfers, interest payments and withdrawals using an operational database.
So, that's all for operational database. Hope you enjoy. Thank you and bye-bye.